65. Audit reports of C&AG relating to the accounts of Indian Union shall be submitted to President. 66. If any question arises whether a bill is money bill or not, the decision of dash of the Legislative Assembly is the final. Speaker. If any question arises whether a bill is money bill or not, the decision of Speaker of the Legislative Assembly is the final. Term of office of President is dash years, 5 years. Which system of tender is adopted when stores are purchased from contractors? It is open tender. Duty to advise President is vested with Council of Ministers. 70. Who appoints the Advocate General of the state? Answer is Governor. 71. Dash is a running account kept by each contractor. Contractor's ledger is a running account kept by each contractor. 72. List of laborers employed in daily on work is called must roll. 74. Tax assessment is a dash act, quasi-judicial. 75. Interpretation of law is a dash function, judicial function. Interpretation of law is a judicial function. 76. Service books are checked to see that the entries in the front page are reattested every dash years, 5 years. 78. Present constitution is adopted by India on dash 26/11/1949. 79. India accepted which type of citizenship? It is single. 80. State shall provide free and compulsory education to children of the age of 6 to 14. Every person who is arrested shall be produced before the nearest magistrate within 24 hours. Quo warranto is the name of writ. 83. No person is eligible for election as president unless he has completed dash years, 35 years. 84. Who is the ex officio chairman of the Council of States? It is Vice President. Vice President is the ex officio chairman of the Council of States. 85. To give advice to Government of India on legal matters is the duty of Attorney General. 86. Indian Parliament consists of dash President and 2 houses. Indian Parliament consists of President and 2 houses. 87. Members to be nominated by the President shall have special knowledge or practical experience in dash science, art and social service. It is literature. Members shall be nominated by the President shall have special knowledge or practical experience in literature, science, art and social service. 88. Dash shall not be introduced in the Council of States. That is money bill. Money bill shall not be introduced in the Council of States. 89. Among the following which is not a fundamental duty? Among the following which is not a fundamental duty? To safeguard the public property, to preserve our cultural heritage, to promote international peace, to respect the national flag. It is to promote international peace. It is not a fundamental duty. 90. Uniform Civil Code recorded in the Constitution is a dash directive principle. Uniform Civil Code is recorded in the Constitution as a directive principle. 91. Among the following which is not a writ? Whip is not considered as a writ. 92. Control of resource operation of the central and state government is vested in the Reserve Bank of India. Control of resource operation of central and state government is vested in Reserve Bank of India. Impressed at the disposal of government is called. One division of the consolidated fund is capital and the other is revenue. 95. MODVAT has been introduced by the Finance Act in 1986. 96. The fund created for the redemption of loan. It is sinking fund. 97. Reduction of debit through sinking fund is called amortization. 98. Dash after vouching become vouchers. Estimate committee examines estimates referred to it by the speaker. General Provident Fund is an example of dash unfunded debt.